We all have received calls or messages from unknown numbers and wondered whether they might be coming from. But have you ever wondered how you can find out more about a phone call, like the country and the carrier it belongs to? In this video, we'll take a fun and easy journey into the world of programming by building our own very simple program, or the phone number trackers program, using Python. So imagine being able to track a phone number and get information about it just like on a real phone number lookup service. And this project is designed to be simple and easy to understand even if you are new to programming. We'll walk through the code step by step, explaining each part in simple terms. By the end, you will have a working phone number tracker that you can run in Google Colab, which is a popular online Python environment. So whether you are a coding enthusiast or just curious about how technology works, let's dive in and create our own phone number tracker. So let's get started. So this is the Python code which will implement a simple phone tracker. So this tracker will use the phone numbers library to validate and display information about the phone number, such as the country and the carrier. We'll use basic input-output operations to interact with the user. You can try this code directly in the Google Colab. Here the step 1 is to install the phone numbers library. Well, this command pip install phone numbers will install the phone numbers library, which is used to validate and get information about the phone numbers. Next, the step 2 is to import the libraries. Well, this line will import the necessary modules from the phone numbers library. The phone numbers, this is the main module for parsing and validating phone numbers. Geocoder is used to get the country information for the phone number. Carrier module is used to get the carrier information for a phone number. Next, in the step 3, we'll create a function to display the main menu. Well, this function will display the main menu and prompts the user to select an option. So it will start with printing a welcome message, then it prints the menu options. After this, it prompts the user to enter a choice and stores the input in the variable choice. Then it returns the user's choice to the caller. Then in the step 4, we will create a function to track the phone number. So here this function allows the user to track a phone number and display information about it. So here it will start with prompting the user to enter the phone number and stores it in a variable phone number. Next, this parses the phone numbers and then it checks if the phone number is valid. Then it gets the country's information for the phone number. After this, it gets the carrier information for the phone number. Then these lines print phone number and the country. So it prints the phone number, country and carrier information. If the phone number is not valid, it prints an error message. If the error occurs, then also it prints an error message. In the step 5, it creates the main function to run the phone number tracker. Well, this function runs the phone number tracker by displaying the menu and handling user choices. So it will start an infinite loop to keep the application running until the user chooses to exit. Then it calls the display menu function to display the menu and get the user's choice. If the user's choice is 5, it calls the track phone number function. Then if the user selects option 6, it prints a goodbye message and breaks the loop to exit the application. Otherwise, if the user enters an invalid choice, it prints an error message. And finally, step 6 is to run the phone number tracker. Well, this line will call the run phone number tracker function to start the phone number tracker. Basically, this is the entry point of the program where the phone number tracker simulation begins. After running this code in the Google Colab, we'll get the options like this, where we will want to track the phone number, and it will say us to enter the phone number with this country code. So here I would like to take it with, say I want to take 95, and then I will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So basically the 10 number should be then a phone number. Let me check. It's an invalid number, right? Let me just write it again. Let me 94. No, let me just try 91, and then let me go 99. 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, well, that is also invalid choice. Then let me try again. Okay, phone number with the country code, so I'll have to take to the India's number, then 91. Then let's say 78 78 78 78 78. Let me check. Yeah, now it's GU number, and after this I can come out of this by writing 6, and that's it. It has stopped working. And that's a wrap. Building our own simple phone number tracker using Python has been a fun and educational journey. We started with a basic understanding of how phone number lookup services work and gradually built a functional tracker that can validate phone numbers and display their country and career information. By breaking down the code into simple understandable steps, we have made this project accessible to everyone regardless of their programming experience. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, I hope this project has shown you the power and simplicity of Python in creating practical and useful programs. You can now run the phone number tracker in Google Colab and even expand it with additional features like more detailed information or a user-friendly interface. Keep exploring, keep learning, and happy coding. Thank you.